Staring down the barrel of a Colt 45. I'm feeling mad, suicidal, so I think I'm gonna drive. Everything is hazy and I can't see my lane. Demons got me seeing double in the rain. If I put the pedal to the metal, take my hands off the wheel. Lord, if you hear me, steer. Steer. Lord, if you hear me, steer.
Awakened by the sound of a siren, helicopter spotlights illuminate the crime scene. Crowd gathers round trying to find out what the fuck just happened. Wait a minute, time out. I look a little closer at my t-shirt. I see squirts of blood that's now starting to bleed worse. I'm lost, I got blood on my hands though. And then the cameraman starts to pan slow. Realizing what I'm up against, I guess I'm just gonna have to face the consequence. Snap back to reality. I gotta think fast, got some motherfuckers after me. Paranoid got me running for my life now. Homicide questioning my mama and my wife now. Parking lot full of cops, got the dogs out. Running, chest burning, out of breath, about to fall out. Hit the corner, park car at the stop sign. Going back to jail ain't the plan, so the outline is to come up with something so I escape this or handcuff. Fuck that, I ain't finna take shit. I'd rather be carried by 6 than judged by 12. Get in that cell. Or maybe they gon' gun a nigga down, cause they don't wanna see me in the trial.
Staring down the barrel of a Colt 45. I'm feeling mad, suicidal, so I think I'm gonna drive. Everything is hazy and I can't see my lane. Demons got me seeing double in the rain. If I put the pedal to the metal, take my hands off the wheel, Lord.